and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do greatly appreciate you all. Today I have for you a review, or it's actually a box opening right now and a first impressions. And I will actually use this and I will come back and let you guys know what I think. But because my channel is opening boxes, that's what I'm doing first. I do want to say thank you to Influenster for sending this to me. It says it on the back, but I can't show you that because it has my address. Thank you for sending this to me, and I look forward to using this and letting everybody know what I think. So, what I got. Oop. So it is a Tom Ford eye defining pen in 01 Deeper. And it's dual ended and it's sleek and precise. Really pretty packaging. Has a little sticker that says Tom Ford. And you really can't see it because it's so light. But imprinted in the paper, it also says, I mean, I'm sure you could, well, I guess maybe you can't see it. It says Tom Ford, Tom Ford, Tom Ford. Okay. So, let's see what this says. Formulated in the blackest shade of black, the Tom Ford eye defining pen delivers ultimate precision and makes fluid strokes easy to achieve a fine calligraphy tip on one end and a brush on the other. Create a spectrum of transforming effects, from classic sleek lines to dramatic wing tips or a sultry doe eye. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And it is in 01 Deeper. I don't think that I don't think I own anything by Tom Ford. Unless it was like a sample size that came in, you know, a box or something. I don't think I've physically bought anything myself that was Tom Ford. I'm trying to think. It's not really like clicking. But wow, that's huge. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and let's take a peek. Ooh, is it? Oh, it does have a little shaker in it. So that is what the one tip looks like. Let's see. So my hands are shaky a little bit. Let me try again. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, so my hands are a little shaky, so I did 3 different lines, but you can see it's there. Well, it's all 3. And it doesn't look like it's bleeding or anything like that. I have seen blacker eyeliners, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't smudge. Let's see if it's waterproof. I'm gonna lick my finger. Don't be weird or grossed out. I hope you guys don't. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's not waterproof. So, okay, so there is that, but let's see the, wait, hold on. Oh, no, and that is what the other side looks like. That's interesting. My water just fell over. That's interesting. Let's take a peek. Ooh. Okay, so that side is actually blacker. Look at the difference. Can you see the difference in the black and that and the black and that? So that black is actually darker. So I don't know if that just has to do with the pen itself or the tip, but that's definitely blacker and it's not bleeding. I'm going to assume it's also not waterproof. I'm not going to lick my finger again and do that, but okay. So it'll be a test, but when we go out this Friday, I will wear eyeliner. I will try this eyeliner on, and it's still allergy season for me. So I hope that I don't have eyeliner all down my face or it smudge off or whatever because of me rubbing my eyes and my eyes watering. But this Friday, we are actually going out of town to dinner. We are going to Cincinnati, I think. Yeah, we're driving to Cincinnati. We're going to a restaurant we've been before, but we've only been one other time, and it was last year. So their tasting menu is completely different. I think it's called Restaurant L. Anyway, with that being said, I will try this eyeliner. I think I do like that pen though, that side of the pen better than I like this side of the pen. But I'll try it on Friday and I'll wear it and I'll test it out. And then I'll let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and what I'll actually do is, now that I'm thinking about it, is I will actually save this video and then I will just come back and update you on the end of this video. So that way it's just all on one video, and I think that just makes it easier for everybody. I don't know. Do you agree? I feel like that would be easier. That way, you know, you don't have to see the box opening and then come back and try to search for, hey, what did she think of that? So that's what I'll do. I will just piece it together. I will just have the box opening and the first impressions, and then I will tack on at the end what I think after I actually use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you again, Influenster, for sending me this Vox box, and I'll let you know what I think as soon as I think it. Have a great day. Hey, I'm back. So this is part 2 of this Tom Ford eyeliner review sort of dealio. You'll just see like a small little transition, but I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on the Tom Ford eyeliner, the dual-ended eyeliner. So for me, it's just okay. Let me see, let me figure out which end is which here, hold on. Okay, so the smaller tip, I preferred the smaller tip opposed to the larger tip, which is that end. It just seemed to be able to be controlled a little better. The line was a little more, well, it was thinner, but it was able to be controlled a little bit better. The larger line, I don't know, just seemed a little sloppy to me. It didn't bleed or run or anything like that, but it did fade over time. I also noticed that the larger brush, for some reason, looked a lot lighter. So the smaller brush was black, and then the bigger brush was like a lighter black. It was weird. I mean, and it wasn't just me, because I asked my husband and he said, yeah, you can noticeably tell a difference in the colors of black. So there was that, but both sides, I did one on one eye, one on the other, and they both just kind of faded over time. I wore them for about 8 hours, and with my eyes watering with allergies, it did kind of smear a little bit. So, I mean, it's just an okay liner. Would I ever purchase it myself? No. Will I use it? Now that I have it, I'll probably stick it in the rotation since I have used it, and I can't give it away since I have used it. Or maybe my daughter will want it. I don't know, but I do have other eyeliners that I prefer to use. So with that being said, it's just an okay eyeliner for me. It's not the best eyeliner I've ever used. It's not the worst eyeliner I've ever used. That's really all I have to say about that. So I hope this video was informative, and I hope that it helps you make a decision on whether you would like to try this eyeliner or not. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.